In front of me is REALME 9i, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into settings, now choose personalizations and click on wallpapers. Then pick one of those sources like live ones, pick the best wallpaper for you. I will go with maybe that one, and just apply to home screen and lock screen. Then you need to go back, choose icon styles and select one of those, or click on custom and tap on agree and continue. Now select the best shape of your icons, size and even size of your app name. Then you need to go back and choose app layout. Over here you can pick number of columns and rows. Then go back again and choose colors. Over here you can pick one of those color themes like cool, or tap on one of those single colors like red one and select apply. Then click on font and display size. Over here you can adjust size of your font and display by swiping left or right, and also pick font style by tapping on the best one for you and choosing apply. Lastly, click on notification rule and pick shape of icons in your tab menu. I will go with that one. When you're ready, just click on home button, and as you can see, theme of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!